Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. Hey YouTube. If you hear a little noise in the background, that's my portable dryer. Sorry about it. My allergies is on 1,000. Sorry about that also. But yeah, I also have a video on my channel about my portable dryer. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this beautiful bag that I got from Michael Kors, right? And I got the bag for $119. Okay. So yes, she is very cute. The original price for it is $4.98. I got her from the outlet in Jersey. And this is, it doesn't even say the exact name on here, but I'll put the style on the screen. So this is, you know, they bag it up. They let you touch the display models, and then they give you the brand new models like this at the register. If you've never been to a Michael Kors outlet store or a store in general, that's just basically what they do. They have like 2 or 3 bags on display. And then when you get to the register, they give you the brand new bag. I decided to go with white because this is going to be my summer work bag. And I wanted to bring some color because I realized all my bags are black, which is like weird. But anyway. So the whole point of this bag is to fit my 14-inch MacBook Pro laptop and my 11-inch MacBook Air. I said MacBook. My 11-inch iPad Air. So when I spoke to the lady who I think was the manager, she reassured me that this bag is going to fit that and then some. So I ended up getting 2 bags. Another bag, I'll show you guys at the end because I know you guys probably really just came for this bag. But the other bag, I got that on sale, on clearance for $50. I couldn't believe it was $50. Like, I had no choice but to buy it. The plan was never to buy 2 bags. It was always to buy 1. But when a Michael Kors bag is $50, you don't tell it no. So, yes. This is she. She is beautiful. You know. It's definitely given summer vibes. I don't know if it's just a me thing, but I'm kind of over this side MK sign. Like, I don't know. I'm just over it, which is why I didn't get the style with a bunch of MKs on it. Because I'm, like, kind of over, like, a bunch of the MKs. Like, I get it. That's their signature. It's their logo, whatever. But for me personally, I'm, like, over it. But that could just be a me thing. If you are a bag girly that just love buying bags or watching videos about bags, I got an app for you. It's called the Real. And they are an app that you can't sell fake bags to. Like, literally, they check the bag and everything. I tried to sell them this Telfy bag, and the price that they tried to give me for it was ridiculous. But they literally had somebody come out to check the bag to make sure it was real. So I definitely recommend that app. I was going to buy a bag off of there, but I said, you know what? Like, I just want something brand new, fresh start, you know? And I work hard, so I feel like, just get something brand new. Anyway, enough for me blabbering. So this bag has the zipper because I'm very adamant about a zipper. I'm from New York, y'all, if y'all didn't know. And let me tell you something. People will pickpocket your bag, okay? So I need my bag to be very secure, you know, because the goods is going to be in here. What I was upset about is that it has the zipper, but it doesn't have the middle divider that I was looking for. It's like either or. It's either you get the zipper with no divider or you get the divider with no zipper. Like, there's no in between. And, like, I was in that store stressed out because of that. Like, so stressed out. So, I don't know. These brands got to get it together, man. They really do, because I feel like I shouldn't have to pick in between of somebody going in my bag and me wanting to divide my stuff. Like, especially if I'm spending money on a bag, because this original price for the bag was $4.89. So it's like, come on now. Like, this is she. She doesn't have the things at the bottom for, like, you know, like when you put your bag down or whatever. I feel like with the material, it's not going to get dirty fast. Because, like, the first thing I think of with white is that it's going to get dirty fast. I feel like with this, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But, yeah. Back to inside this bag. Because that's what really took me off. So, I only have the inside, right? No side. Because some of them had, like, outside storage. Nope. It's just that. And then this here. And then it, you know how Michael Kors is. And I told you guys the price was $4.98 for this. So, and then a little Michael Kors telling you about your bag and stuff like that. But, oh, it tells you the name right here. So this is the Jet Set Travel. Jet Set Travel, okay? And the zipper part right here. Let's see if my laptop fits in here. Okay, so this is the M4. I know it looks like a notebook, but it's not. The M4 MacBook Pro 14-inch. And I'm literally putting it right in here. And it fits perfect, just like I assumed. And it fits like that. It's a bunch of room. I'm not worried about the room. What I'm worried about is dividing. So I think I'm going to, like, order some bag dividers off of Amazon, which is ridiculous because I just bought this bag, but whatever. And this is my iPad. It's not that heavy, but let me tell you something. You put an iPad with a MacBook any day is going to look like and feel like it's heavy. So this is the two in there. And I'll give you guys a close-up view. Okay, so this is how it looks inside with the laptop and my iPad. It looks very dark. Sorry guys if it does. I got so much light on this thing. I don't understand why it looks so dark. But anyway, this is how it looks inside. Like I was saying, it has just this one zipper that protects your stuff. Because I'm telling you. And with a zip that looks like that, so you don't know what's up in there. Give me some privacy, you know, my little windows. And then on the side, and that's it. It's no more. It has the space that I needed it to have, so I'm not really complaining. Okay, so this is the other bag that I bought. Yes, this is she. She's beautiful. Okay. And she's red. Very bright red, but red is my favorite color, so don't mind. And she does fit my laptop also. Remember I told you guys the manager was telling me that it fits. It definitely fits. And it has room. You could zip her in. But it's just smaller than the white one. And like for work wise, I'm a big bag girl. Going out wise, I don't like big bags. But yeah, this was on sale. I remember I don't know if I told you guys about it. This was on sale for $50. So you can't beat it. Like you can't, it's on clearance. $50. Come on now. And yeah, this has the divider in the middle, which I wanted on my white one, but they didn't have that. And it has the clips on the sides. So yeah. I definitely will say this is a beauty. She's pretty. She's giving what she's supposed to give. And she's big. And she has a lot of space. Like I said, I think I'm just going to buy like an Amazon bag divider pouch thingy. And just throw her in there so that I'm not like all over the place with stuff. And yeah. Keep it pushing. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm the type of person that I like to look at bags on YouTube before I actually buy them. Well, work bags especially, before I buy them. Because you just need a bag that's going to fit your stuff. That's the most important part about buying a bag. And when you have work, everybody's different. So you just want to make sure. So yeah. Once again, thank you for watching this video, guys. If you're new here, I'm Stacy P. I like to review things, whether it's tech, household, appliances, bags. If I like it, I review it. In a New York City style though. But anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.